Hey guys, welcome to Mexico, specifically Playa del Carmen. This is where we are staying at the moment. Well, actually only for 2 days. I hope that you can hear me beside the waves. One day, yesterday was just for, to adapt to the jet lag, and today we'll relax a little bit by the beach and not doing much because tomorrow we are going to the next place. Check this out, beautiful warm weather. Well, it's not the most beautiful water, but the weather is beautiful today, especially considering that yesterday, how was the weather? It was
there was a tropical storm.
Yep, there's like this tropical storm that almost became a hurricane but didn't.
Yeah.
The Marco, if you want to Google it, what's the name of that storm? What's the temperature? Like 29 degrees, but it feels like 35 degrees because
36.
of the humidity. 36.
Yeah.
So it's really good that we are in the water right now, cooling down.
The water is very dirty because of the storm yesterday. So
today at least it's a beautiful day before the next storm comes. I don't know if it comes close to here. If it comes, we'll have more rainy days. Tomorrow in the afternoon we'll be taking the bus to the next location, and right now we'll just enjoy today's weather a little bit. This city has actually grown a lot in the last 20 to 30 years, because in the mid-90s it had less than 20,000 inhabitants, and now it's more than 200,000. And this side, the beach side, is pretty safe. But the driver who brought us here actually told us that if you go further away from the beach and you pass the bridge, you get into the more dangerous part of the city. So stay by the beachfront if you ever come here. That's where it's safe. I'm filming today's video on the GoPro Hero 8 because even though so far it feels really safe, I still don't really dare to carry around a $2,000 camera in my hand here in Mexico. At the moment, well, all thanks to the media. That's why I'm sticking to the GoPro Hero 8. It's less obnoxious and not that expensive if it gets stolen, I guess. I know it's not really fair to say that, but that's all thanks to the media. But now I will bring you to the 5th Avenue, or well, Quinta Avenida, how it's called here, the main tourist zone, tourist street here in La Playa del Carmen. Here on the Quinta Avenida you will also find a lot of travel agents that are trying to sell you, especially mainly trips to Cozumel, which is an island close by that they can actually see from here. And you will also find a lot of restaurants, cafes, souvenir shops, and at least 3 Starbucks. And also some shopping malls, although one of them is closed and the other one is open. So like H&M, Forever 21, that kind of stuff you can also find over here, and many tequila shops. Most of the times when entering a store or a restaurant, you have to wear a mask, but they will also take your temperature with the infrared thermometer. Thank you for that word. So be ready for that, but I actually think it's a very good measure. Behind those tourists behind me, there's actually just been a guy who wanted to sell us cocaine or marijuana. What the hell, here on the main street? No way to go. And as you can see here behind me, there's actually a lot of construction going on at the moment. I think maybe they are taking this chance of less people because of COVID to do this construction, because usually it would be high season at the moment. There's actually even this store that we just passed with a live baby tiger. Yep, a real baby tiger. I don't know if it's legal or not. I don't want to support that kind of stuff. That's why I'm not approaching it, why I'm not filming it, but it really is there. We are now going to the beach to catch the sunset. Well, I'm lying a little bit because here we are on the eastern side of the Yucatan Peninsula, which means you can actually catch a sunrise, but not really a sunset. But still, the first night we were here, we saw a beautiful lighting show above the sea, I guess, and we hope to find the same thing today. Let's see. Yep. Do you see that western side? That's where the sunset actually is. That side, well, you cannot see it from here, except maybe if you are like on the island on the other side that you probably cannot see right now. And she found how do you call it, a shell? Damn guys, I just ran out of battery. How annoying. And now it's getting too dark and I lost it again. I don't know where it is. I tried to put it in my pants. Damn it. No, now it's getting dark fast.
Yeah.
So, can you even see something?
Yeah, a bit.
Okay. As soon as the sun, no, you don't have to hold it. As soon as the sun is down,
wanted
it
to
gets so dark that you don't see shit. So we have to go back to the hotel. Anyways, that's been the sunset. At least around here, there's a little bit more light. Well, that's been it from our little tour of Playa del Carmen. We didn't spend a lot of time here, so not much hotel. It was also more getting used to the climate and getting used to the jet lag. Now we are fitter. Tomorrow we are moving to the next place. So that's been it. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Very important. Do it now. Bye bye.